Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unpacking this K9 wireless microphone and I'm going to be showing you how to set it up with your phone. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video and I'm going to show you everything. So first of all, let's start from unpacking. Okay, after I unpack this, I'm going to show you how to connect it with your phone and use it. So first of all, when you open this K9 wireless microphone, you're going to see that it has two microphones inside. One, two. That means that if you want to, if you are like you are shooting content and you're like two people, okay, you can actually give the other person one and you'll be using one. Inside it, you're going to see a Type C. This port is a Type C port, okay. You're going to see for iPhone, this is Apple, and you're going to see for Android. Okay, this is for Android port. Okay, so that's what is actually inside. So this here right here is the charger. This thing right here is the cord. Okay, the cord for charging the wireless mic. Okay, so like this thing now, you have to charge it to be able to use it. All you have to do is to just plug it like this, plug the cord there, and then plug it on your charger and charge. So my next thing here, I want to like connect it to my phone. I want to show you how to connect it to your phone. So this is my phone here. I'm going to show you how to connect it to this phone, and I'm going to show you how to know that the microphone is on. Okay, so that you don't just assume that it's on and you're shooting, and at the end of the video you find out that your microphone is not even on. So as you can see right here, this is for Android phone, this is Android phone, and this is for iOS, that's Apple phone, and this is Type C for also Android. So in this video right here, if you have an Apple phone and you want to connect it to your phone, all you have to do right here is for you to just connect it to the iPhone right here. Just put it together right here and you put it on your iPhone. But in this case, I'm using an Android phone, which is Samsung, and it's using Type C. So I'm not just going to put that. What I have to do is to just remove it. I'm going to use this thing like this. Okay, the work of this work of this Bluetooth is used to like connect your phone and to the mic. Okay, it's used to connect the mic to your phone. So you have to always put this on before you use it. So first thing you have to do is to just plug it in to your phone. I've already plugged it to my phone. Okay, you can see right here. Then you have to come here. This is the mic here. This is the mic here. There's a on button here, power on button here. So you click on the power on button. As you can see, the on button is on. This you can see green light here. So once it's blinking green light, it means that it's connected to this phone already. In fact, let me remove it now. Yeah, as you can see, it's showing green light and red light. That's to show you that it's not connected to the phone. Okay, that's to show you that it's not connected to the phone. I don't know if you can see clearly. If it shows red and green at the same time, it means it's not connected. But if it's only showing green, it means it's connected. Let me connect it again. So guys, I'm going to just connect this to the phone that I'm using to shoot this, so you guys can see the difference when you're shooting with a microphone and when you're shooting without microphone. So let me just connect it to the camera I'm using to video myself. So I'm using iPhone to video right now, so I'm just going to like plug the iPhone port here, then I'll connect it to the phone right here so you guys can see the magnification of the voice. So guys, I just connected it to my phone right now. As you can see the difference for my voice. Hope you guys can see the difference. So all you have to do is to just put this on your clothes. Just make sure the thing is tight so the thing don't fall off. This thing is expensive. If you fall off, you buy another one. You know how the thing goes. So guys, I hope that this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, okay, because we are going to be dropping more content on this YouTube channel, okay. All right, so without any further ado, this is the end of the video. So if you want to buy this exactly K9 wireless, if you want to buy this K9 wireless microphone, I'm going to drop a link below. Just click on the link, or I'm going to drop a WhatsApp number down below. Just chat the WhatsApp number, and we are going to send it to any part wherever you are in Nigeria. Most specifically, you're in Nigeria, Okay, if you are in outside the country, I don't know, maybe we'll make provisions for that. Okay, but for now, we are only supplying to Nigerians. Okay, thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Peace out.